that in fact he was the Perseus, demigod, Pishin, some believe, and a hero, and he was returning after slaying the Gorgon Medusa.
Dwi'n hoff iawn o wrando ar straeon. Dwi wedi bod yn fan o storis ers talwm. A mae prosiect mae mor hyfryd dod â Storïwr i stepyn y drws. Mae mor gartrefol cael gwrando ar y straeon efo glaw ar y to a phopeth, so mae just awygylch hyfryd.
Now some believe Medusa is a monster. Others believe she is a woman wronged. Well, whoever she was, she had the hair of a writhing snakes, and her eyes had the power to turn any living thing into stone when they looked deep within them.
So I've come to this event because I've already got quite an interest in the night sky. So I wouldn't say it's made me more interested in the night sky, but what it's made me more interested in is the legends and the stories around the night sky. So it's actually made me want to go and find out what else there is about that, and maybe in different cultures and things as well.